Joanna!
Jason!
Hi!
Hi!
Joe, what's going on?
I've been doing okay. I mean, I'm kind of struggling to find a place to study. Like, my home is too noisy and
Have you tried booking a study room?
I tried, but they said they were all taken.
Oh no! Have you checked out the new study lounge?
I've seen some flyers, I've seen some signs, but I never really, checked it out.
Oh, Joanna, oh my gosh, the place is absolutely amazing. Let me take you up there and I'll introduce you to him, okay?
Oh, sure, okay.
Study lounge. Hey, come on in. Okay, so you need a place to study. Great. You've come to the right place. So if you want to make yourself at home at one of these tables, you can put your stuff down, settle in there. Or also we have a nice lounge area over here that you can relax. And if you wanted to take a real break, we have some games and some puzzles and an art table that you can enjoy. With the materials for your exam, there are some tutors available on the second floor of this Academic Resource Center. So the front desk, we have all the information up there. The front desk person will be able to help you, like I said, at the information desk. So thank you again. You've certainly found the right place to study.